Sue me. California in 1 week. Woo! Celebration! My window's open. I'm back. I just ate Mediterranean. I'm sorry. I feel better about that one. I'm back, guys! The craziest thing... You know what I mean? Onions. Don't forget to subscribe to my TikTok because I post longer stuff and a little bit more. I have a mullet now and rat tails, so
and most people didn't touch her illness, and she brought a book with her.
Ever used for
well, you know me. Time to show him that 60 likes is not all we can get. Oh, and by the way, this will be up on YouTube as well, and I can't wait to see how many likes we get for that. There's a lizard running on this fence, and it's hilarious because it's like running sideways. The video today.
there.
Oh, God.